Ati aza kwetera kakantura yagisharira kakomaka
ati adroba ya manyire nazo
akoma kuri kakatariho
kuza Kampala tibura tomanta ahunjira nawe amurango kuyaje nani nza Kampala tikahunjira ndaboro
yabasamaze ronka babatire ngo kuza
kuba kuzishuya ndwahe akire ndobo Azamera funga vizuri tu. Simia.
Kani.
Ekizibu kitwatungaho nka basiti ya gateway zaba 12 konka yatungamo obuzibu yabugana n'owapiki konka abantu bafa munonga abantu bawutara kushira amaguru n'emikono konka tino wahendeka so twagize kubatwara mu magwaliro abantu abatwara kabara abandi bazari muhanga yitaha konka na breakdown yayikira kujya mu base giyeho kugira ngo atakaje kirekise cyaba
nahingurana nayo ecyari yaharayini kuza kubakoranze nyuma ndebera teganguza ngeno yatandika kugorora hasi basihikira garama na nyishwa bibu n'abandi babaragira batwera turiruka turija abantu baratandika kurugwa munangwita twaturagira bafite n'abandi bafa kwiya umukikuru umwe woratambura hasagire niwe yazokonyora kugura takuchwanyagura
mania kaosha ema kiresa accident nze ngamze mu ntebuza yange ngaabaddemu driver aluzize kumutwala abadde kuko kuba abadde yakayimi kali akatawuni yakajjamu pasenja nga speed tenabeera y'amaanyi era singa abadde tajjeemu speed nga gyajjuddeko yeeyo singa njali zibadde z'amaanyi.
Let him go to the ambulance and give it. Nancy.
I was traveling to Kavali for burials of my grandmother. She died yesterday. It was approaching 6 a.m. Then I think the driver was going astray from the road, and the bus which we had taken got an accident, and then we fell. From there, we were taken to the hospital. Many people were infected, and one was affected by the leg, and like for me, I was stitched. So luckily, we have not got anyone dying. Thank God for that. Then wetwatuse Lukaya natandika olinnya akaliro mpola mpola kati wetutuse eno side zeno emuhanga tubadde twakatutuka mu koona driver tubadde tutulina motoka zijja mu maaso gaffe just tubadde tulina emotoka emu gye tugoberera mu maaso so tubadde tutegeeza nti tewali kibadde kimubuzaabuza okuvaako akabenje naye ndowooza abaddemu ndowooza otulo then n'agenda besides the road nava mu layini ejo alina otambuliramu kati okuva awo netufuna accident negenda ebbali nesangayo omuntu negwa.
Well, we have not admitted any, to be honest. All of them are outpatients. That none of them is in a critical condition. So they have all received outpatient care. As most of them came with bruises, came with, of course, painful swellings on the head or in other part. But basically what we have done, we have given, of course, the first aid, we've given pain management. Those that needed suturing, we have sutured them, given antibiotics, and of course given, most of those guys are prone to tetanus, given them anti-tetanus toxoid. So we have basically given that care, and they are all in good condition. They are all heading home. None is admitted. We've managed to refer only 2 people, a mother and son, to cover Regional Fire Hospital for orthopedic review. Eneri izuba shaha nkikumi n'echweka twatunga amakuru muhine basi eyagwa erikoroga Kampala mukayagwera hihomu hihi n'omwanya gwitu mwenu by around kuzaniza shaha nkemwe polisi n'abandi abanyambabazi babareta hijo omwe hari omwe kumukatoto y'abantu abahikaha babali abantu 32 amutwabasa gukora nangwa bingi babina obuhuta babina ekyo bakweta bruises na cuts ningwa deep cuts, so twababazira twamanaginga pain twabahereza antibiotics tine muntu waba kurumunonga waba naitaga critical care yamani kwiha utwatunga abantu babine fractures kandi kitukuzikora hano, so twabarefaringa Kabale Regional Fire Hospital aho baratumira ubujanja otherwise emera nungi tine wafa kandi bona bari in good condition, bona bari bageze ku kwiyongera umuhanda gwabo.